Go beyond packaging with Veritiv Facility Solutions. We're your partner for a clean, safe, and hygienic facility, protecting your workplace and your most valuable asset, your people. From the production line to the restroom, our facility solutions include PPE, cleaning and disinfection products, touchless restroom solutions, soap and sanitizer, and breakroom supplies. But products alone aren't enough. We have people too. Our Facility Solutions advisors guide you along the way using a consultative approach that applies lean principles to cleaning, eliminating waste, and helping you more effectively manage your facility. Say no to housekeeping and yes to people and processes that improve your business. Our advisors help with cost avoidance, inventory space effectiveness, product enhancements, employee wellness, and even OSHA compliance. Veritiv can manage both your facility cleaning and packaging needs, resulting in time savings, cost savings, and faster shipments. Take your business to the next level by providing a clean, safe, and healthy environment.